Hey guys, this is Pooja. So today's topic, shut up. Shut up about your twin flame. Stop talking about your twin flame. Stop praising your twin flame. Stop talk about your twin flame and whatever your twin flame is doing physically. Whatever you are talking about your twin flame or about this journey, just stop. So there are a couple of reasons for that. The first and most important reason is that the more you talk about your twin flame, the more you focus on it. Obviously, focusing on your twin flame is feeding fear based push energy, and it's exactly the same energy your twin flame is pulled away from you. So, we never want to do that. We never want to feed that energy. So, we don't want to talk about it. We don't want to talk about or discuss about your twin flame or about this journey because it's feeding exactly the same energy. So whatever your twin flame is doing, thinking, feeling, saying physically is not important. Important is energy. So stop talk about your twin flame. Stop discuss about your twin flame. And another reason is because once you balance out your fear-based push-pull energy, and once you start living with your twin flame, it's the most sacred bond that you will ever do as a human being. This journey is most sacred. This journey is about yourself. This relationship is with yourself. Your twin flame is you. It is the sacred bond. Your soul is directly from source. Your soul is powerful. Your soul is omnipresent and eternal. Your soul is miracles. Your soul performs miracles and it's magical. Your soul is love and complete. Your soul is just perfect. So, and to discuss about your soul, discuss about this journey, discuss about your twin flame, and trying to put words to it, it's actually insulting to that. It's actually disrespectful to your soul and therefore yourself. So, there is no words to describe right. So, words are limitations, words are judgments, words are labels, words are small and contained. So, your soul is not. Your soul is expensive. No words to describe your soul. There is not a single word you can describe about your soul. Of course, there are many words you can use it, but not a single word. Like, how can you describe love? How can you describe eternity? How can you describe infinity? You can't describe this. Words are only exist because that words are created in your mind, and your mind is controlled by your fear based push pull energy. So your mind cannot see what is extra large. Your mind is very small and tiny. So it's very disrespectful to discuss about your twin flame or about this journey at all to yourself. You deserve to honor yourself, treat yourself with respect, with honor. So not gossip about it. Gossiping is cheap, and that's the main reason why you don't want to discuss about your twin flame or about this journey. After you balance out your fear based push pull energy, still you don't want to talk about it because it's no one's business. It's not your twin flame's business. It's not your family's business. It's not your friend's business. It's your business. It's only about you. So bond to yourself is so sacred. So not talk about it. No gossip about your twin flame physically. It is the most sacred thing you will ever do as a human being. So stop gossiping about it. Stop shitting about it. Stop talking about it. Words can't do justice. They will never do. One word can't do justice because it's so beautiful. And honoring yourself that way, respecting yourself that way is actually loving yourself. Is truly loving yourself. That is called self-love. And that is of course twin flame journey is about loving yourself and self-love. So moral of the story, shut up. Don't talk about your twin flame. Your soul wake you up to this, to know yourself, to love yourself. on the level of soul. And why you don't want to talk about it and shut up about your twin flame and about this journey? Why? Because it feeds your fear-based push-pull energy a little hit. And we don't want to do that. We never want to do that. Alright, guys? Good luck, guys. Lots of love.